Is the
I
letter,
told you I don't have any idea. That's it. In short,
is the letter authentic or not? Only that.
I can't say that. I'm not an expert on that. The expert will tell that was the real or not.
Now, you also mentioned about your forest department related initiative you have taken. What are those steps?
In fact, see, or nationally, the Prime Minister has, directed to all the states to have to, the destroy and to, completely, the free, drug-free, to make the drug-free state. So whatever we have been taken is to destroy the property only. That has been assisted by the police department mainly, and other community also. They have been giving us the information, and all accordingly we have been sending all kind of the forces along with the police department and destroying, and they have how much they have been destroying to the police DGP already mentioned in his speech, and I have already mentioned in my speech. That's it.